provision and store, same time crew change. So ayan guys, this is how we gonna climb the ship. We are the on-signer. Yes, so we pass through the pilot ladder and finally to the accommodation ladder. Yeah. So we are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 on-signers here at Fujairah Anchorage. Yeah, see, those are anchor vessels. And yes, kaya mo yan bro, sige. Sige bro, akyat. Yan. Bawal malalaking tiyan dito. Ayan, yung dalawa. Sorry, yung tatlo dyan, no? First timer yan. Tingnan natin kung ano, paano sila umakyat. Tatlong voyage cleaner. First time in international vessels. So this is Storm Gwendolyn. So I'm coming back, Storm Gwendolyn. We're gonna sail together again for 6 or more than 6 months. Look at the swell, my friend. Yeah. Lakas ng swell. Malaki na tong barge, pero still big swell. So ayan, first timer. Paspas. Hi. Together is the Envisor Whale. Yan, yung kalbo na yan. So yan guys, kapag dito kami sa Ancoraje nagjo-join, so usually we are using the combination ladder. So combination ladder is with the pilot ladder. Yan, yung kita nyo yan.